needs help opening it. You want to help him?
Yes.
Okay, come here, Shay Shay. Here, I'll hold this one.
Come here, Shay.
Come here, Shay Shay.
Come here. Come here, Shay. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Shay. Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Sit. 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 Okay. This is for you.
Shay, look.
I help her open the box. Wait, Shay, don't go anywhere yet.
Here, Shay.
Look, Shay. I got a new one.
Oh! That's really for him.
I thought it said for Shay on the box.
He likes it. He likes that new one.
Does he like it?
Yeah, he does, Shay. Oh, what?
Yeah, it says for Seamus.
Very nice.
Mom, I know you're watching this. You were right. It easily does get confused with the kid toy.
There's nothing
He
in here.
doesn't think he's allowed to eat it.
Yeah.
I want to
There you go.